Hey guys, how are you doing? Michael Symon here. I know a lot of you like to camp this time of year, so what are some of the things that I need or I want when I am camping out? You know, you want to travel relatively light because you don't want to be lugging a bunch of stuff around. I definitely want a cutting board. I probably am not going to bring one this big because it's heavy to carry. So a smaller cutting board, one that's easy to transport, so you always have something to chop, butcher, or do whatever you need to in the wilderness on. I also always have a good set of tongs because if I'm cooking, I want to be able to flip. Something that I always bring is a grill basket because let's face it, sometimes you just have a little campfire going. You could cook directly in the coals, but the grill basket also gives you the ability to drop vegetables or things you may have harvested in the wilderness into those coals also. I like to think of myself as a pretty resourceful guy when it comes to wilderness, but I am not going to rub two sticks together to start a fire. So I always bring a blowtorch. The other thing that I always have is salt because food doesn't taste good without it. And I would never go camping without a cast iron pan. So if you have a cast iron pan, you have a small cutting board, you have tongs, you could season your food, you could light fire without rubbing two sticks together, and there's pretty much nothing you can't cook in a grill basket, I think you are in good shape. Happy camping.